Let's talk about how you can create templates for recurring processes. So let's say I have this dashboard and I want to make a template out of it so my users can duplicate it and use it in different processes. So you can create this dashboard and everyone put a name on it. Let's say I want to rename it to template, right? You can do as simple as that, or just rename it from the dashboard. So this is how easy you can rename your things, and like this is here. So rename it at template at the beginning, so it's it's a template, and everyone can duplicate the new template. Let's say I want to name it contracts of a specific department, right? So I will click continue, and here I have my duplicated template. So you can move it to a specific folder. You can organize your folders based on your departments, and just drag it and drop it into your folder. And you can find it inside the folder, and that easily. And getting back to the home page, you can customize even more of your templates. You can create many templates, move them to a specific folder, and have your users to duplicate them. It duplicates everything in that dashboard. As you see here, it has duplicated everything in that dashboard. I have the charts, I have a new page, which is the new survey that we created, and you can embed it right in the dashboard so users can submit the form right here. And this is another way for making, like, you don't have to create everything from scratch every time. You can automate things, you can duplicate the dashboards to make your recurring processes faster.